Alright, so guys, good morning.
First checkpoint guys. Here we are. After an hour.
Samahan niyo ako guys.
Ayos kayo, ayos kayo. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never
Continuation
be the
guys.
same.
So muna ito ang area. And you may also take pictures during a site. So isa sa pinakanindot nga kuha nag-picture guys, dili banda. Yun, sila sila ma'am oh. Hi ma'am, sir, morning. So yun oh. So maulang naman ang inyong view diri guys. So ang target na to is of course, ano na to ang Ride with Ed. One ride going to Tanayan Falls. So first yung photo off, either way dito sa may welcome signage sa entrada baka or diri sa may falls mismo pwede kayo isang asa. So kana kita-kita dito sa second photo off going taog Enchanted River. Let's go.
I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've
update.
never felt this
Journey na
way.
to sa entrada sa Enchanted River at may back kani. Yun. Yan mga sa entrada na to guys. So take note, dili sa tamo sulod cause baba man dayon ta. So mo pud wala pa to nagpatatak. Take note before mo makasulod diri you need to log in dito sa taas tapos magbayad ng 100. Tama ba guys? 100 pesos bang entrance no? Okay, so 100 pesos ang entrance. Then from there, pwede ka magbaktas, pwede po ka masakay sila ang shuttle going directly here sa Enchanted River. So tanan lang sa ta very quick. Hi ma'am, morning po. So muna nagbantay sa to ang entrance. So muna entrance nila. And at the same manner, kana dire ang ilahang area. Yun. Charan. So dahil ta mo sulod kay baba dayon ta at pataog aliwagwag. So sa tanan mga participants, again, either dito mo sa entrada magpa-picture or pwede pod mo dire. Pwede pod mo dito sa sulod kanang naay kuan cause wala man tayo time limit. Enjoy inyong dagan. Just make sure to dedicate the ride to our beneficiary. So, suggestion ako is pwede mo magstay dire. Napod tay Harip, gikan diri sa Enchanted River, pwede matipas na ka sa wala. Going to Harip na siya. Most possibly around 10 to 15 minutes biyahe, motor. So kana. Thank you so much. So saka na tagbalik. Prepare for aliwagwag.
Really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Alright, so current update guys, around 3 p.m. So, submitted na tong oras kay Kulit Davao at least 6 or 7 p.m. So again, nangata karon sa Aliwagwag Falls. Going to Aliwagwag ta. So medyo ulan. Kita ninyo guys, you know. Tara! Basta kayo. So gikan ta ni siya og Bislig. Baba ta Aliwagwag, ulan gyapon. So, alok sugas or sa ano? Hey. Kusog kang current sa Aliwagwag Falls. Lah, sugay. Stop cooking Korean guys. Tabok ta. Yan. So, diri nga to ang third nga photo op again. So, tura. Welcome to Liwagwag Falls. So, very quick ang update lang. Tubagon ako isa sa mga pangutana, no. Pwede ba daw nga sa nga ni? Bisang sa adlaw Gahiyon. Yes, pwede kayo. So target nato is at least before July, kay by July man gud ato ang i-compile ang inyo ang mga photo sa tanan mga participants, then atuwa na siyang i-sentra board, then to be given to our beneficiary. So mo nang main reason behind nga no nga up until July ang atuang event. Dahil so kana lang siya guys, very quick lang kay mainit pa ta karong adlaw before ta monaog. So again, thank you and sunod na po.
It's you, baby.